Christmas and welcome everybody to my brand new channel, Cadence's Claws. Today we're going to do the start of a full set of snowflakey fakeys. Let's get started. Snowflake fade. So I'm going to prime the tips. I'm going to use the Gel X prep. You can do this by buffing, but I'm lazy. I use the chemical prep. Let me know in the comments if you prefer chemical or manual buffing. Next, we got that base coat. Yeah, we got that base coat. This isn't a necessary step if they're for display purposes, but I'm going to wear these, so I want them sticky. Get in shot, woman. Get in the middle. The middle. Snowflake fade. But we will get sick of those. A full 60-second cure, please. So I've gone through and done all of them, because I'm sure you don't want to see me base coat all 10 nails. How boring. So we're going to move on to what color? Snowflake fade. Makartt gel polish blank. Yes, we're going to do the hardest color in the English language, a full white set. It's not like I would come at you with a bright orange snowflake theme. Actually, if you have done a different color to white, please link me in the comments so I can have a look. This is my crazy going bonkers at the nail to stay in shot, and then the nail telling me to go F myself. Snowflake fade. So 60-second cure for the first coat of the white. Second coat, you fluffy fuck. Oh, get off my nail. Ah. Please tell me how much you hate that in the comments. Something gets on your nail. So a full 60-second cure for the second coat. Wow, I've edited this way too fast. So all 10 nails I've gone through and given a white coat. Oh, okay, breathe. In this video, we are going to start with little pinky starts. And get in shot, woman, get into the middle. We're going to do the same thing on both pinkies, and it's going to be a glitter burnish technique. We're going to use a random glitter that is white and iridescent and pretty. I've had it since I was 18. I don't know where it's from, but you can use any fine glitter for this technique. Now, the glitter needs a sticky layer to adhere, so we're going to use the base coat, which needs a full 60-second cure, and that will leave you with that sticky layer for the burnishing technique to actually work. You don't have to do 2 layers of the white if you're going to do a burnishing technique. Let me know in the comments if you just do 1 and then burnish, or how you like to do it. Now, okay, look, we've had a technical issue. Some idiot didn't press record for the next part, so okay, this is me giving it the finger. Let's move on. I was trying to be really careful and show get in shot, woman, move it over, whatever. I was trying to be really careful and show the patting technique and then a light rub. So I'll show a little better on the next one. So you see the difference between the two? I've just poured the glitter over the one on the right and it's still all lumpy bumpy. That is not the effect I want for this particular set. Snowflake fade. So what I'm showing is just patting down the excess glitter and comparing between left and right. The right being just a raw glitter finish, totally acceptable, but I'll keep burnishing. Me, I have a 1, 2, 3. I have a fixing, a faffing, and a fucked it. And I will let you know throughout my videos what level I get to. Once you're happy with your effect, grab an old brush to remove the extra shade. This is an old Mac 168. It's a tatty old thing, but it's not a cheap brush. So, we've cleaned up. Now we need to top coat, or we do a TBT, and I like to call it, a top above a top coat. The reason I like to do it is to get it super duper beautiful and flat, no bumpy feeling at all. So I'm using a float technique. We all float down here, and it just means to float the brush over the top of the glitter so there's a layer of product between the nail and the brush. That just means that you won't pick up extra little bits of glitter and ruin the burnishing effect. So here we go. Here's me. Am I fixing? Didn't get to level 3 snowflake fade. Okay, 60 seconds for the top coat. And you'll see that it's beautiful, but a tiny bit bumpy. I'm going to buff off screen. So here's someone else who's buff. You're welcome. And top coat pawn. Top coat pawn. You can see that it absolutely comes to life after you top it, buff it, second top. It is perfect. So shiny. Oh, I got to a 1 there. Will I get to a 1 again? Top coat pawn. Oh, it's so lovely. Okay, settle down. Righto. I'll stop. Okay, I'll stop. We need 60 seconds in the lamp to get that looking shimmigo. Oh, it's so smooth. I can't stop touching it. Oh, so smooth. It's lovely. And the light line that you can see, if I get my disgusting fingers out of the way, is so shiny. And there it is in slow-mo. That light line, it's nice and straight, doesn't get all wiggledy-piggledy. Lovely. Off your toddle. Off you go, back to line. So thank you so much. Square up the shot. Oh my God. This is my first attempt. Please bear with me. Thank you so much for watching. My next videos will complete this set together, nail by nail. Please subscribe and like, leave any comments that you'd like to leave, and I will tell you the story about what happened to my nails in a future video. Funny story. See you all soon. Snowflake Bay.